Good morning and welcome to the live webinar on My Mission Admission, your gateway to your dream career, course and college. In today's webinar, we will be discussing about the future prospects of electronics and communication engineering in India. To give you more insight about your future career, we have with us Mr. Vivek Arora. Good morning, Mr. Vivek. How are you?
Good morning. I'm fine.
Mr. Vivek has 15 years of experience. He has been principal at Sri Balaji Institute of Engineering and Technology, principal at Six Sigma Institute of Technology and Science. He has 2 papers in reputed national journals and attended workshops conducted by NITTTR. Mr. Vivek, we welcome you to the live webinar.
Thank you.
So we will be talking about the career options after completing 10th and 12th in the field of electronic and communication engineering. The career options. Right, so we can please elaborate on that, sir?
Basically, after 10th, if a student passes his 10th with mathematics and science, he can join the diploma course, which is a 3-year course in electronics and communication engineering. And after 10+2, with physics and mathematics as compulsory subjects and computer science, biotechnology and biology, one of the subjects from these, a student with 45% marks can take admission in graduation course of electronics and communication engineering. In our institute, we provide not only the theoretical knowledge but the practical aspects of electronics and communication so that the student can enhance his chances of the jobs after completing his course.
Right. That's wonderful, sir. So, what about the career options after graduation and what are the further study options?
Yeah. After graduation in electronics and communication engineering, the budding engineers can join the various government, PSUs and private limited companies. And also they can join Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, MTNL and various communication companies like Idea and Vodafone. As you know, nowadays there is a great chance of students acquiring this degree and getting a job in these companies. As far as the future study options we are concerned, I will say that after completing his graduation, a student can appear in GATE examination. After clearing the GATE, he can pursue a master's in electronics and communication, DLSI. With the government also gives a scholarship of nearly 12,500 if a student is a GATE scholarship qualified after the completion of his BTech, which is also a very good amount so that student can study and also he can cope up with the financial part of that.
Right. Great, sir. So that means not only there are further career options and further career options are also related to better future prospects and after graduation.
Yeah, definitely.
Right. So, sir, see for example, nowadays it's a trend to go into entrepreneurship, and so people are getting really attracted towards that. So, are there any government?
Actually, government. Yeah, definitely. Government of India is also encouraging the entrepreneurship part, as they want that after completing graduation, the students are not only looking towards the job. They should become an entrepreneur and they create jobs for other peoples. And there are financial institutions established at the central government level and also at the state government level, which provides the funds and loans at a very nominal interest rate so that the engineers can become an entrepreneur and help the country grow by giving jobs, not looking for jobs.
Right. That's true. So that is a very important part, not only to get jobs, but to create jobs for other people also.
Definitely.
Yes, that's wonderful. That's wonderful, sir. So, I would like to know, sir, what is the Digital India scheme, sir? Because it is very prevalent in these days. So, can you please explain on that?
Yeah, definitely. Digital India scheme is a dream project of Government of India, in which there is a target to make at least one person from a family to be digitally literate. This is the government of India scheme. In this scheme, the government is trying to bring e-governance to each and every house. So that there is a scheme like digital locker. In that digital locker, you can keep all your documents online, and whenever they are required, they can be submitted online instead of getting them Xerox, and you have to physically take these documents to all the companies or any other thing. You can just only log in and digitally submit all these documents. There is also a Bharat.net. This is a very good scheme of government in which nearly 250,000 gram panchayats will be linked to a high-speed internet with the central government for the various schemes which are to be launched for the people of the country for their betterment. And also in Digital India, there is a app which is called as mygovernment.in. By logging into that app, you can learn all the digital schemes launched by the government of India. The effect of that scheme will be seen by 2019. There will be nearly lakhs jobs for the graduates from computer science, IT, electronics and communication, which will be a, I think it will be a revolution in the field of electronics and communication engineering when the students, actually what happens, we take admission now in 2016. What we have to see, when we will complete our degree. Our degree will be completed by 2019 and 20. At that time, the Digital India will be a scheme to reckon with, and the students will be having a great career in front of them. What will happen in the future? What are the future prospects? Not to see that what is the demand today. If you take admission today, but the degree will be awarded to you after 4 years, no? What will be the career option after 4 years? And that after 4 years in Digital India scheme, you will get lots of opportunities for jobs as well as entrepreneurship.
That's right, sir. That means this present time is really good for electronics and communication engineering, and in fact, any kind of digital, background. It is very good to have, so that you have bright future prospects.
Yes, yes.
2 to 3 years down the line, it will be really helpful for the students to come out into the industry. And
there are also other schemes of government of India like Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, in which the persons are skilled, technically skilled, and there is also new scheme that like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. In that also, that is also linked to Digital India. We say that Swachh Bharat, what happened is Swachh Bharat, how it is connected to Digital India, but it is also connected to Digital India, and it will create great opportunities in the future.
Right. So that means it is all interconnected, and the future is bright for the budding engineers that we have, right, sir?
Definitely.
That's wonderful. So we something more about electronics and communication engineering, if you would like to tell to us.
In electronics and communication, we focus at the instrumentation part. As you know, all the instruments nowadays are digital. If you see a weighing scale at a grocery shop is a digital scale. If it is a digital scale, even in the instruments, if it is a machine, it is also a digital machine. So there are great prospects for instruments in electronics and also in the communication. As you know, there is a revolution in the field of communication, mobile communication, internet communication. So there is a great prospect in electronics and communication, and I have no doubt the students who opt for electronics and communication at our institute will have a great career in IIT.
That's wonderful, sir. And that's wonderful, sir, about the insight that you've given, and any message that you would like to give to the students who are listening and who will be listening to this webinar later on also.
What I would like to recommend is that they should clearly understand what they want to do. They should do those things in which they are interested, and they think that they belong there. If we take a course which we do not understand on the pressure of parents or any other friends, then we will not do justice to that. And there is a students should those things in which they are interested and what they should have in their mind, not only career, but also what they can do for the society as a whole, what they can do for the country as a whole. So they should consciously select a course, and I will definitely recommend, as per the government scheme nowadays, electronics and communication or electrical and electronics are the way forward.
That's wonderful, sir. So you very rightly said that the students should enjoy what they are doing, and they should not only consider about their own future, but the country's future, the society's future.
Definitely.
They should think about others, and that's very rightly said, sir.
We are here to give something back to the society. We are not. We do not belong to ourselves only.
Very true, sir. Very true. It's very nicely said, sir. And thank you so much for your time. If there is anything else that you would like to say, you can please elaborate, sir. Otherwise, the students would have really enjoyed listening to you. It was a good insight because you not only told about electronics and communication engineering, but also about the future prospects and the budding projects that are coming up. So that's a wonderful webinar, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your time, and thank you all for listening to this webinar. And stay tuned in for more such webinars on My Mission Admission. Thank you.
And best of luck to all the budding students.
Thank you, sir.